for Mountain Brook. Fake the run up the middle. Strother throws to a wide open man. It's Paulson. No, check. It's Crawford. Go. And he gets big yardage all the way down to the 20. Brogan pull up the middle. He's into the end zone for a Mountain Brook touchdown.
Touchdown, Spartans. You gotta love it.
It'll be a 22-yard field goal attempt by the freshman kicker Reed Harradine, and it is good. Good job, Reed. Oops. Back to pass. And
there
he throws, got a man caught at the 2 by Paulson Wright. And Strother Gibbs will take it, and he will take it in for the Spartan touchdown.
20 seconds.
Yeah, there was what? 49 seconds, I believe, when they got the ball.
Yep. Oh, he's doing no push-ups, he's doing squats. Got unbalanced. There he is!
As a man wide open for a Mountain Brook touchdown.
Jay Rucker, touchdown, Spartans. Linebacker, nobody there.
Jay Rucker catches the touchdown pass. White back to pass. They're setting up the screen. Ford Kelly.
Ford Kelly,
interception. He read that screen. He stepped in front. He picked it off, and Mountain Brook has the ball. And the quick kick. We've seen the Spartans do that a few times, and it has worked magnificently every time.
Look at that roll. Look
None
at the roll.
better than this one, as Strother Gibbs punts it all the way down to the 4-yard line. Great. 2nd and 9. Back to pass is White. He loads up.
Oh, interception.
Over the middle, it's intercepted. Coming back the other way for the Spartans.
Will Yarbrough go, Will? Go, Will.
Oh, he came close to taking it back all the way. Will Yarbrough with the pick for the Spartans.
Big Will, keep on turning. Oh, he keeps it. There goes
Strother Gibbs.
There he
kept
goes.
it, and he takes it.
There he goes. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. Strother Gibbs taking it for 35 yards right up the middle. Nice read option, and man, he's off to the races for a touchdown.